Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell.
Hello everyone, we welcome you on OS Tech OS, your on technical channel, and this is the news about newest launch from Huawei, and this is the Nova Series 9 phone, and it comes with the 4G support. But the thing is that this phone launched in China with the 5G variant. Huawei Nova 9 comes with the Snapdragon 778 SoC from Snapdragon Qualcomm setup. As Huawei is banned from using 5G bands in global countries, so Huawei have decided to take it on a 4G flavor in the global event, and the global market will comes with 4G flavor. If you are looking for a perfect phone with the flavor of Huawei, here comes a Honor device called X30 Max. Huawei have officially separated its department from Honor, but we believe in the quality of Huawei comes with the Honor. Still, it's young in its class. The phone may come with the Dimensity 900 5G variant, and this phone will feature a 7.09-inch screen. This is a massive screen, but there is something which you can love. The phone comes with the OLED display. This phone is supposed to have a DCI-P3 level color gamut presentation in its display. Phone to feature a sound variant of 78 decibel loud in full volume, and this phone is going to use a GPU turbo. Some of its Geekbench performance have shown in this image. You can check out. The phone will come with a 64 MP wide camera and a 2 MP depth camera. This camera setup. For video calling, it has 8 MP selfie camera, so you can call wherever you want. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more.